Hello, this is the math video for Thursday, April 23rd. We are on page 431 in our math books, lesson 17, session 4. Refining, subtracting three-digit numbers. So there's an example here that says Carla has 725 roses. She uses some to make a float for a parade. Now she has 142 roses. How many roses does Carla use on the float? And in the example, it says you can show your work on an open number line. And they've written there 725 minus 142 is the same as 142 plus something is equal to 725. So what they're doing is they're making a fact family with these numbers. So let me just write this down for you so you can see a little example. So you know that, let's do 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. I can do 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. I can do 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, or 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So this fact family is showing two addition problems right here and two subtraction problems. So in our book, where it's saying in the example, it's showing us that 725 minus 142 is the same as 142 plus something is equal to 725. They're showing the fact family of this problem. So whatever you figure out here would go here in the math problem. So they're showing the open number line because what it's showing is that you can add, if I start counting up to 725, I can use that number line. So if I have my number line here and I'm starting at 142, sorry, it's kind of small now. If I go to 142 and I am going to add, let's see, 8 is the first jump to get to 150. So if I get to 150, 142, if I'm counting at 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 49, 149, 150. There are 8 numbers between 142 and 152. I'm going to write this actually on the bottom. 150. Okay, there's no 150 on here. It's just showing you how to count up from those numbers. Now, if I start with 150, I'm trying to get to 725. I'm going to do another jump. If I do 50, then that takes me to 200. I like round, even numbers. Now I can jump all the way to 700. What am I going? How many jumps is that going to take to get to 700? So this is, I'm at 200. This would be 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. I have gone 500 jumps in my counting up. That's what this math problem is showing you. I'm now at 700, and I'm going to now go plus 25 to get to 725. So now you have to add up all of these things. Add up this one, this one, this one, and this one to get your answer. So let me get a new board. Hang on a second here. Sorry about that. Ran out of space on that board. So I didn't want to erase it. So here we have 8 plus 50 plus 500 plus 25. I can do it like this. 8 plus 50 plus 500 plus 25. If I stack them all up nice and neat with the ones, 8 plus 5 is going to be 13. 7 plus 1 plus 2 is 8. And here we have 583, which is the answer to the question of this roses question. But that's what this jumps is showing you. You don't have to do it that way. But if you do like that, that is a good way to count up. You might see that in a question, like on a quiz or something, but that's what that's about. So go ahead today and do pages 431, 432, 433, and 434. So there's four pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 math problems today to practice doing your subtracting with the 3-digit numbers. So you shouldn't have any problem with that. If you have any questions, please call me or let me know, and I will gladly figure out a way to help you do this. All right, thank you. Bye.